Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the antenna on your GMC Sierra. This is a straightforward task that you can accomplish with basic tools and a little patience. First, you'll want to gather your supplies, including an 8mm wrench, your new antenna, and possibly a trim removal tool. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your truck is off and the parking brake is set. Now, let's get that old antenna off. Begin by unscrewing the antenna mast. It usually turns counterclockwise. If it's stubborn, a wrench can help. Next, gently pry up the plastic cowl piece surrounding the antenna base. This panel is held by several clips. Once exposed, remove the three 7mm screws that secure the antenna base to the vehicle. With the old antenna removed, it's time for the new one. First, carefully feed the new antenna cable through the firewall opening and connect it behind the glove box. Then, position the new antenna base, ensuring proper alignment, and secure it with the three 7mm mounting screws. Finally, screw the new antenna mast clockwise onto the base until it is snug, using a wrench for a firm fit. You're almost done. The final step is to test your new antenna. Turn on your truck's radio and check the reception on both AM and FM bands to ensure everything is working perfectly. For a little extra protection, you might consider applying a small amount of dielectric grease to the antenna threads. This can help prevent corrosion and make future removals much easier. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.